Top 5 video editing apps for adding captions easily.
Captions make videos more accessible and engaging. Whether you're sharing clips on social media or editing a vlog, using the right app can save time and boost your content's reach. In this video, discover 5 top-rated mobile editors that let you add, edit, and customize subtitles with ease. No advanced skills required. Let's explore the best options for every budget and platform.
1. CapCut.
CapCut is a free and popular video editor known for its user-friendly interface. It features automatic caption generation using speech recognition, making the process fast and accurate. You can easily customize font styles, sizes, and placement, and even animate your text for added flair. CapCut supports export in high quality, making it a great choice for creators on both Android and iOS.
2. InShot.
InShot offers versatile captioning tools designed for quick edits. You can manually add text or subtitles anywhere on your videos and choose from a wide range of fonts and colors. The timeline-based editor makes it simple to sync captions with audio. InShot is available for both Android and iOS, with many features free or accessible through an affordable upgrade.
3. VLLO.
VLLO is ideal for creators who want detailed control over their captions. The app supports multi-layer text, animated effects, and easy font customization. VLLO's editing tools allow precise syncing of captions to your audio. While a free version is available, the paid version unlocks advanced editing options, making it a strong pick for both beginners and experienced editors.
4. Adobe Premiere Rush.
Adobe Premiere Rush brings professional captioning tools to mobile devices. You can add, edit, and style captions seamlessly on your timeline. Premiere Rush offers integration with Adobe's cloud services for quick sharing and collaboration. It is available for Android, iOS, and desktops, suiting creators who want smooth workflow between devices. A limited free version is also offered.
5. Splice.
Splice is a powerful yet easy-to-use video editor, especially popular among iOS users. The app provides simple tools to insert and adjust text subtitles, customize font and color, and position captions exactly where you need. Splice's intuitive workflow makes adding captions fast, and it offers quick export options for sharing on social platforms. Premium features unlock additional exporting and editing capabilities.
Choosing the right app for you.
Finding the right app depends on your needs and workflow. CapCut and InShot offer great features for beginners and are free to use. VLLO and Splice provide advanced customization, while Adobe Premiere Rush suits those wanting integration with other Adobe tools. Experimenting with these options can help you pick the best tool for your captioning and video editing projects.